yourself across too many ideas with nothing to show for it. Read every word of this page. New release digital tool. You're not stuck because you lack ideas. You're stuck because you have too many. Secret Profit Switch gives you 33 expert AI prompts that cut through the noise and reveal the one profitable direction already hiding in your skills and interests in the next 30 minutes. Instant access. $17 launch price. Works with any free AI. See exactly how it works. From the desk of Michael Pitta. For just over a year I've been deep in the AI world. Building tools. Writing prompt chains. Chasing ideas. Testing products. And making almost nothing from any of it. Not because the tools weren't good. Not because I wasn't working hard. But because I was doing 10 things at once and giving none of them enough time, focus, or commitment to actually pay off. The one exception? A small product called the Summer Boredom Buster. 10 sales in 3 days. Not my most sophisticated work, but it was specific, simple, and solved one clear problem for one clear person. That one win told me everything. The problem was never the ideas. It was the scatter. I didn't need more tools or more prompts. I needed to find the one direction already hiding in my skills and interests and actually commit to it. That's what Secret Profit Switch is built to do. The real problem. Here's what scattered focus actually costs you. Every week you spend working on the wrong thing is a week you didn't spend building the right one. Every new idea you chase is another week of momentum lost on the last one. Every tool you buy without finishing the last one adds to a growing pile of almost launched, almost finished, almost profitable. You start strong every time and quietly abandon before results arrive. You watch others succeed in directions you haven't committed to and wonder if you should be doing that instead. And the painful part? It's not that you're lazy. It's not that you don't know enough. It's not even that your ideas are bad. It's that nobody has helped you see which of your existing skills and interests is actually worth committing to and why. That's a clarity problem. Not a capability problem. Introducing Secret Profit Switch. A collection of 33 expert AI prompts built around one core idea. You already have everything you need to profit. You just can't see it yet. Each prompt is a complete, standalone strategic analysis. You enter your skills and interests once. The prompt does the heavy lifting. You copy it into any free AI Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, or Copilot and get back a genuinely useful, specific analysis of where your profit potential lies. No API. No subscription. No extra cost. Works with any free AI you already use. Genuinely simple. Surprisingly powerful. Enter your skills and interests. Type 1 to 3 skills or interests into the tool. They don't need to be related. 1 to 3 is the sweet spot. The fewer you enter, the sharper your results. Pick the situation that fits where you're stuck. 9 situations. Each one filters the 33 prompts down to the most relevant ones for exactly where you are right now, so you're not staring at everything wondering where to start. Choose your depth. Quick Spark 5 prompts 30 minutes. Deep Dive 10 prompts 90 minutes. You decide how deep you want to go. Copy, paste, and read. Copy the first prompt. Paste it into your free AI of choice. Read the output carefully. That might be all you need. One prompt can surface a profitable direction you've been sitting on for years. See it in action. Find your starting point. Which one sounds like you're right now? Pick your situation. The tool filters to the most relevant prompts immediately. No hunting. No guessing. I don't know what I'm good at. I don't know what to focus on. I am busy all day but making no money. I have ideas but can't validate them. I am not sure people will pay for this. I can't explain what I do clearly. I know my direction but can't get started. Something is stopping me but I don't know what. I keep quitting before results arrive. What's inside? 33 prompts across 6 face off the profit clarity journey. Not a random collection of prompts. A complete system that takes you from scattered and stuck to focused and moving. 01 Discovery 5 prompts find what you actually have. Hidden assets, unfair advantages, accidental expertise, and recurring problems you've been solving for free without realizing it. 02 Filtering 6 prompts cut everything that doesn't matter. Revenue potential tests, effort versus return analysis, dead weight elimination, and the shiny object pattern breaker. 03 Validation 5 prompts confirm it's worth pursuing. Buyer urgency tests, competition reality checks, proof of willingness to pay, and a 30-day revenue viability test. 04 Clarity 5 prompts define your direction precisely. One sentence business definer, niche sharpener, unique angle extractor, and offer clarity builder. 05 Action 6 prompts move immediately. First 5 Buyer's blueprint, quick win identifier, today priority setter, and a 30-day revenue sprint plan. 06 Mindset 6 prompts deal with what's actually stopping you. Fear of picking wrong, identity conflict, perfectionism tax, comparison trap, legitimacy block, and the long game commitment builder. Real results. See what these prompts actually produce. These are real outputs from the tool run with real skills and interests. Not examples we wrote. Not hypothetical outputs. What the AI actually returns when these prompts do their job. The proof of demand scanner surfacing 5 specific buyers situations. The unfair advantage finder identifying a genuinely rare skill combination. The 30-day sprint, 30 days of focused action on the right thing produces more than a year of scattered effort on everything. Included bonuses. 3 bonuses that make the tool work better. These aren't padding. Every bonus directly improves how much you get from Secret Profit Switch. Bonus 1. Secret Profit Switch Quick Start Guide. The complete user manual. What the tool is, how to use the filters, how to run a prompt effectively, which AI gives the best results, and pro tips for sharper output. Everything you need to get your first result in the next 30 minutes. Value, $17. Bonus 2. Prompt Results Interpreter. Got your results. This tells you exactly what to do next. How to read any prompt output, what different output types mean, and 3 clear next action paths based on what you got back. Prevents good analysis from dying as an unread tab. Value, $17. Bonus 3. Profit Direction Scorecard. If your prompts surface more than one potential direction, this printable scorecard helps you compare them objectively across 8 criteria and arrive at a confident decision, no more going with whichever one felt most exciting in the moment. Value, $27. Here's what's on the table. Secret Profit Switch 33 Expert AI Prompts, HTML tool. Bonus 2 Prompt Results Interpreter, PDF. Bonus 3 Profit Direction Scorecard, PDF. Instant download, works with any free AI, no subscriptions. What this is not. This is not a course you need to complete from start to finish. This is not a system that requires chaining prompts together. This is not dependent on any paid AI subscription. This is not a magic button that works without honest input. This is not a collection of generic prompts that could apply to anyone and therefore help no one. Every prompt in Secret Profit Switch was written specifically for one purpose: to help someone who is scattered, stuck, and sitting on more profit potential than they currently believe find their one thing and move toward it with clarity and confidence. Here's the only risk. Run your first prompt in the next 10 minutes. If it doesn't surface something genuinely useful about your skills and profit potential, you've lost 10 minutes. That's the only risk here. At $17, the real risk isn't buying this. The real risk is spending another month scattered across 10 directions making nothing. I built this tool because I lived that exact experience. I know what it costs. and I know what one moment of clarity is worth when you've been running in circles for months. Try it risk-free for 30 days. Run the prompts. Use the tool. If you go through Secret Profit Switch and genuinely feel it didn't deliver a useful, actionable insight about your profit direction, email me within 30 days and I'll refund every cent. No questions. No hoops. No hard feelings. I'm confident enough in what this does that I'm happy to take that risk off your shoulders entirely. You should only pay for something that works for you. Michael Pitta, Skill Grow Ventures. Quick answers. Do I need a paid AI subscription to use this? No. Secret Profit Switch works with any free AI. Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, and Copilot all have free tiers that work perfectly with these prompts. You do not need to spend anything beyond the cost of this tool. No. Pick the situation that describes where you're stuck. Run the first prompt in that situation. That might be all you need. The 33 prompts exist to cover every type of person who might use this tool, not because you need all of them. One prompt can change everything. What if I don't know what my skills are? That's exactly what the Discovery section is built for. The Hidden Asset Audit and Accidental Expert Reveal prompts are specifically designed for people who feel like they don't have anything worth selling. You do. You just can't see it yet. That's what these prompts surface. How is this different from other prompt packs? Most prompt packs give you a keyword swap and call it personalization. Every prompt in Secret Profit Switch was written specifically to analyze your profit potential, covering discovery, validation, clarity, action, and the mindset blocks that stop most people before they start. It's a complete system, not a list of templates. Secret Profit Switch is delivered as a single HTML file. You download it and open it in any browser. No installation needed. The 3 bonuses are PDF files. Everything is immediately accessible after purchase. Your decision. You have 2 choices right now. Choice 1. Close this page and carry on as you are. Keep spreading your energy across too many directions. Keep watching others succeed in spaces you haven't committed to. Keep telling yourself you'll figure it out eventually. Spend another month making almost nothing from almost everything. Choice 2. Get instant access to Secret Profit Switch for $17. Run your first prompt in the next 10 minutes. Find the one profitable direction hiding in your existing skills. Stop guessing and start moving with real clarity. Finally, give one thing enough focus to find out if it works. One of these costs you $17. The other one keeps costing you every single day. Ready to flip the switch? Here is what $17 gets you today. A tool built to solve the exact problem most entrepreneurs spend years unable to name, let alone fix. $17. Launch price will increase to $27. Instant download HTML tool plus 3 PDF bonuses. Works with any free AI. 30-day money-back guarantee. PS. If you've read this far, you already know this is for you. The only question left is whether you act on it today or bookmark it and come back later, which, if we're being honest, usually means never. $17 today. $27 very soon. The clarity you get from even one prompt is worth more than the cost of the entire tool. PPS. Remember, you don't need to run all 33 prompts. Pick your situation. Run one prompt. That might be all you need. But if it isn't, you have 32 more waiting. And 3 bonuses to help you get the most from every single one of them. And if after all that it still isn't right for you, you have 30 days to ask for a full refund. Zero risk. Disclaimer. Disclaimer: Warrior Plus is used to help manage the sale of products on this site. While Warrior Plus helps facilitate the sale, all payments are made directly to the product vendor and not Warrior Plus. Thus, all product questions, support inquiries, and/or refund requests must be sent to the vendor. Warrior Plus's role should not be construed as an endorsement, approval, or review of these products or any claim, statement or opinion used in the marketing of these products. Earnings disclaimer: results mentioned on this page, including the summer boredom buster example, are individual results and are not typical. We make no guarantee that you will achieve similar results. Your results will depend on your skills, effort, experience, market conditions, and many other factors outside our control. This product is designed to help you find profitable directions. It does not guarantee income or profit.